One of my goals for the new year is to refresh my closet. I'm going to be adding a few pieces from this Amazon clothing brand by the name DOKOTOO. The first thing I'm going to be trying on is this brown striped knitted sweater. This sweater is really soft and I just love how cozy and comfortable I feel in this sweater. Next is this oversized jean jacket. I like this jean jacket because it's thin and lightweight, but it doesn't feel cheap. I am a month postpartum, so I have been looking more into oversized clothing. After having 3 kids, I just want to wear what feels comfortable. I also got this khaki waffle knit jacket. This is another thin, lightweight throw on, but it's good quality. Next is this gray oversized blouse. Again, like I said, it's thin and airy and light, and I sweat a lot even in the winter, so I like to wear things that keeps me cool. And I also like that it's not so tight on the stomach area where you can see my little kangaroo pouch, and I also like that it covers my butt. And then I have these cargo pants. They have a nice stretch to them. They're also high-waisted on me, so they have some stomach control. I'm 5'6", so I'm what they were considered tall, and these pants go all the way down to my feet, so I really like that they are tall girl friendly. I really like the quality of all of the items that I received from this Amazon clothing brand, and I will have all of the details down below if y'all would like to check them out. And thank you so much, DOKOTOO, for sponsoring today's video. So before Christmas and the new year, I wanted to declutter this closet. This closet is what we use for storage, and just over time, it just became a mess. So I did grab this trash bag to put right here. So as I'm going through it, whatever I see that's obviously trash, I'm just going to throw it out, and then I'm pulling everything out, and I'm going to go through everything and try to put everything back neatly. In the end, I was really happy with how I decluttered the closet, but it still is a storage closet, so it's not going to look the nicest. But there was extra space after decluttering, so I was able to put the broom and our mop bucket and vacuum in there instead of those things just sitting around the house.
That's my cue. You and me is like perfection. I've been loving our progression, but I gotta make a confession, no. Lately I've been having questions, oh. See, I've been missing your affection, and this kinda reminds me of the last one. Maybe it's time I learn my lesson, no. Maybe step back from my protection, no. Tell me, am I still your baby, or just holding on to memories and the way you used to make me crazy, oh. Did I do something wrong? Are we still going strong? Or you're stringing me along? Then it's like you. If I have to ask, then I probably already got my answer. But before I commit,
I've been avoiding cleaning this closet for a while, girl. This is just one of those things where you have to just start and then get on a roll, and before you know it, you'll be done. It really didn't take me that long to straighten up this closet. I didn't have to go through the clear bins because I knew that everything that was in there were things that we were keeping, so I didn't have to worry about that. And then this one black bin has some decor in there. It had a few Christmas things, so I just put that around the house. I'm not in the Christmas spirit this year, and I heard a few other people say that, and I really just don't know what's going on. But I think low-key is because I feel like the holidays have been rushed on YouTube and just everywhere else. In November, I feel like people was already talking about Christmas and decorating for Christmas, and it just feels like Christmas has been going on forever, and I'm just ready for it to be over. By the time I was even worried about a Christmas tree, it was like halfway through December. So I was just like, we could just save that money for something else instead of just having a Christmas tree up for a short amount of time. And I already knew January 1st I was going to want that tree to come down, and then I would have to worry about where I was going to store it. Anyways, I was gifted a lot of newborn diapers and size 1 diapers, and he's not in that size anymore. So I just put the extra ones in this black bin that had space, and I'm just gonna keep them until somebody in my family ends up having a baby, or I'll just give them to someone else.
so I know you're mine. 'Cause if I have to ask you one more time, all these questions got me
We used to have a cat, and so this litter box, obviously I cleaned it and, you know, bleached it down before I put it in the closet, but the litter box ended up becoming a catch-all. So I'm clearing this out. Yeah, y'all, I ended up, long story short, the cat she's living with the neighbor now. During my pregnancy, I didn't even know that was a thing, but I ended up getting pet aversion. I think that's what it's called. But I ended up I could not stand the cat. And really, when I got pregnant, she couldn't stand me either. So it was just sad because I did love her. But in the pregnancy, I just wanted nothing to do with her. And then too, when you're pregnant, you can't change cat litter. So it was just me constantly having to remind my husband to change the litter, and it just became like this annoying thing. So I ended up keeping her litter box and her bowls, because in the future I do want to get another cat, and that's just one less thing that I have to worry about buying when we do get another one.
I won't lie, but you'll never know if I'm fine. Am I alright? Well, you'll never know, you took this path on your own time without giving us a try. So we'll never know. You came into my life at the right point, and now you're leaving when it gets hard. Should've kept it straight from the jump. Why'd we come this far to get this far? I should leave it alone, 'cause there's no proof of you staying. Your mind was made up a couple months ago. Oh no, I know you don't have much to say, yeah, that's clear now. But I won't keep on giving you grace while my heart's broken.
I'm going to take all of the shoes off of the shoe rack, and then I'm going to vacuum underneath them because there was a lot of dirt and leaves. I don't do it that often because I feel like it's kind of pointless because it's just going to get dirty again, but I wanted to just give it a refresh before Christmas. And then I'm going to sweep in this area and then get ready to mop.
You'll never know if I'm fine. Am I alright? Well, you'll never know. You took this path on your own time without giving us a try. So we'll never know. Feel good, don't feel bad tonight. I feel good, don't feel bad tonight. I feel good, don't care where you're at tonight. I feel good, you wonder where I'm at tonight.
So I tried to order the new Fabuloso winter scent, and I guess it was out of stock at my Walmart. So the shopper replaced it with this purple Fabuloso, and I was pissed, y'all, because I cannot stand the smell of Fabuloso. So I was just like, dang, I really wanted to try the winter scent with y'all, but it just didn't work out. So now I am using it every single time I mop and when I clean the bathroom, because I'm just trying to get this Fabuloso out of this house.
Now I go under, hold my breath and flow. Trust the current takes me safe for sure. Now this is my remedy. Let the seas sway with me. We're getting my energy. Let the seas sway with me. My remedy. Let the seas sway with me. Getting my.
I wanted to move my husband's gaming table, so I ended up pushing it in this little corner over here. And then I tried to fix up the cords the best that I could in the moment. Off camera, I would go back and try to fix the cords up better. But I was just trying to hurry up and get the mopping done in the house so I can get back to the baby.
I go under, hold my breath and flow. Trust the current takes me safe for sure. Now this is my remedy. Let the seas sway with me. We're getting my energy. Let the seas sway with me. My remedy. Let the seas sway with me. Getting my energy. Let the seas sway with me. Feels like gravity can't touch me when I'm here. Look at me levitate.
I couldn't ignore this dirty wall anymore. This is where the trash can sits. So there was a lot of like food and dust and everything on the wall and the baseboards. So I'm going to use this awesome spray. They used to only have it at Dollar Tree, but my Walmart started selling them. And this spray works really good, y'all. And it's really cheap. It cuts through dirt and grease really good. Another thing that I really wanted to clean before Christmas was this drawer and then also 2 cabinets. So I'm going to be starting off with this drawer, and I didn't have much to throw away. I only threw away these cupcake liners, but it felt good to wipe out this drawer and then put everything back neatly.
Said you needed space, said you needed more time to think, so you went away, but you still would stay in my dream. Now you're back for more, why you in my reality? My head closed the door, even though my heart just won't leave. That was then, can't go back, hurt so bad, had to block out the memory. If we try again, start from scratch. You wanna pick up where we left off, but you've been gone away so long. Since you've been gone away so long.
Next, it was time to straighten up underneath this sink. I wanted to get everything organized and laid out so I can know exactly what cleaning products I need and don't need, and it was just nice to be able to see everything. I am working on using everything that's underneath this sink before I buy new cleaning products. I want to get rid of everything because just constantly buying stuff is just really wasteful. There's a few things that, like a few cleaners that I don't really like this Mr. Clean Freak spray. It's not my favorite. I don't really like the smell, and it's not the best at cleaning either. So I'm just going to try to finish up using all of these cleaner products to get them out of here. All of the white powder was boric acid, but I have not seen a roach in a long time, so I just cleaned all of that up. And then all of the products that I don't really use or grab that often, I put them towards the back. I don't use my K-cup coffee maker anymore, so I'm just going to throw these K-cups away. If I had somebody to give them to, I would give them to them, but I just got rid of it. And I just used the jar to put the oatmeal packets in. Before finishing up so I can mop, I wanted to wipe down these cabinets, so I just filled up this dish pan with some hot water and some pine salt, and that's what I'm going to use to wipe down all of the cabinet doors. I got a lot done before Christmas, and I'm just happy that I got it over with. I hope that this video brought y'all some cleaning motivation. If it did, don't forget to give this video a like. Comment down below anything, and if you enjoy being here, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one.